God damn it. Yeah, no, it wouldn't do this. This would be hard to control for a lot of other stuff. Okay, so it calculates a midpoint. Says it's that is the point. It transforms it. Okay. I think I can figure this out. So this is the midpoint. We have to set the height up to be however, the width up to be however long we want it. That is a requirement. And yeah, see, it's the width that we were setting up to do that. And it finds the midpoint, then it translates it so you get something like that. What we could do, this is getting stupid, but we bring it back by half of the width, the initial width. Yeah. And we push it down by half of the initial height, or half of the initial width. That'll bring this there. Sound good? Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Other thing we could do is we could bring the transform back here and then rotate about this point. Yeah. Either way is fine. So now I want to do negative this. Oh, oops. Divide by 2. I think I want to do that for both x and y, no? Yeah, and once I've done that, it's actually not x that I'm interested in. I'm interested in y, because this is in rotated coordinates. Okay, this is a bit of a long shot, likely to have a mistake, but we have a theory, so it might work. We're trying to translate and bring stuff back, and well, that didn't work. Now we have this. It's likely it's possible there's some scaling going on too. I really don't know. If there's been scaling applied, then I can't say anything about these transforms. You know, that initial stuff that I had was pretty good though. I wonder if I could get back there. I mean, I could control, like, just by tapping them, even though they were overlapping the, what should we call it? And that wasn't anything complicated. But then again, I could have these minus symbols wrong. I think they should be plus. Maybe the Y should be plus. Yeah. This is starting to get tiring. And it's starting to feel a little futile. Let's go through the process again. We go out this far and we rotate. We know that it does that. We think that it does that. Let's verify that right now. Okay, so make a rotation and don't do anything else to it. I'm going to just draw these two overlapping. So expect there to be, yeah, so this is true. It goes out there and it rotates from the center. Yeah. Rotates like that. And then from this point, after we've rotated, we want to subtract, probably subtract, okay, rotating 90 degrees means clockwise, right? So this goes down here. This is why the guys say you should rotate minus 90 degrees. Anyway, assuming that that's that, oh, I see. So if we rotate this direction, okay, right now this is positive, this direction is positive x. So that means this direction is still positive x. Going down on the screen means positive x. Right, let's use the negative 90. I'm really surprised because I thought this would work. Positive x. Oh, I see. Yeah. So this means yeah, this direction is positive x. And what is that? How do you go to the left? Okay. Oh, this is so hard. Alright. So before this direction was negative y. Ah, alright, that should do it. That should put it on the far left. I might even put out of screen if we don't have like the little twiddle to kick it back. Fuck. Yeah, that might be just out of screen. One way we can test it is negative 0.9 times that. Who knows? If nothing appearing, it would appear my theory is wrong. Okay, let's look at it again, just one more time. Pre-rotation, this is positive x. So this is still positive x. Yeah. Alright. And this is... You know what? They might actually be using OpenGL coordinates. I wouldn't be surprised. Which would explain how any transformation seems to push it way out. Here's a good way to try that. That's the thing when you're dealing with client code and you're not using your own system. You have no... You cannot transparently see what is applied already. Alright, well, this gets them back in the same location. Presumably that 0.9 does not do much. And presumably we are still in pixels. Well, you can always do stuff like this, and eventually you'll get to the magic number where something is visible and you can see what the change is. Alright, that didn't work. Let's try 0.1. Maybe perhaps push it a bit to the right. Hard to say. It's possible, I would say, yeah, let's try that first. No, I don't think it's that. I think it's the Y that controls the X. You know what? You're not supposed to have stuff in here like that, right? Oh, this is totally wrong. This should be height. My bad. No, it should be width. No, it should be height. I'm screwing up. Yeah, I think I got it. I think it was a height width thing. I don't think we even need that other stuff. So this needs to be, let's try that. We're getting close. Figuring out these transforms kind of sucks, but okay, look, that's perfect. It's on the left side, just like we said it would be.